You won't believe this. I used just 2 simple ingredients for my trash bin, and my plant exploded with growth. I took crushed eggshells and leftover potato peels straight from my kitchen waste. That's it. No chemicals, no store-bought fertilizers. How to make it? Step 1. Let them dry completely in the sun for a few hours. Step 2. Crush them into small pieces. Step 3. Mix them together and sprinkle directly around the base of the plant. You can even dig them lightly into the soil. I did nothing else, just waited and watered as usual. And look what happened. My plant started showing new growth, brighter leaves, and stronger stems. And it's all thanks to these 2 trash ingredients. Eggshells are full of calcium, which strengthens the plant's cell walls. Potato peels contain potassium and phosphorus, which boost root development and leaf growth. Together, they're a powerhouse for your garden.